Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open the Steam console. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Start button, which is represented by the Windows icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing various system tools and applications on your computer. Once the Start menu opens, you'll want to type Run into the search field. As you type, you'll see search results begin to appear. Look for the Run app in the results and click on it to launch the application. The Run dialog is a quick and efficient way to execute commands and open programs without navigating through multiple menus. Now, in the Run box that appears, you need to type a specific command exactly as I'm telling you. Type steam://open/console. Make sure you enter this command precisely, as even a small typo will prevent it from working correctly. This command tells your system to launch Steam and automatically open the console interface. After you've entered the command, click the OK button to execute it. This will trigger Steam to launch automatically if it isn't already running. The Run dialog will close and you'll see Steam starting up on your screen. Once Steam opens, you'll notice something new at the top of the window. The Console tab will appear in the top menu alongside your other Steam tabs like Store, Library, and Community. This tab is normally hidden from regular users, which is why you needed to use the special command to access it. Click on the Console tab to open it and you'll see the console interface. At the bottom of this window, there's a text field where you can type your commands. This is where you can enter various console commands to troubleshoot issues, modify settings, or access advanced features that aren't available through Steam's regular interface. And that's it! You've successfully opened the Steam console and can now enter commands to customize your Steam experience or troubleshoot any issues you might be facing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.